So I haven't uploaded in a while. I know. I run a business in the summer, so that's where the majority of my time goes. I also realized that one of the apps I made for an easy way to handle your passwords was making like 10 to 20 bucks a month, which is insane considering number one, it was up for only iOS up until now, and number two, it has no publicity or marketing whatsoever. It was something I made a few years ago on a weekend, and it's gained a significant amount of money so far. So I've been real developing an Android version. That's where a majority of my time is going. I'm also slacking a little bit with this channel, but I'm trying to get back into it. The winter time, I have more free time. So, anyways, I've been back developing games again, and I think it's crazy that Unity doesn't offer any kind of auto saving feature for the open scenes. So, I'm gonna make my own today, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, we're going to download AutoHotkey, and that's just a scripting language that can automate keys, clicks, and other stuff on your computer. It kind of reminds me of AutoIt, which was way back in the day I used to use. I used to use that to create bots for auto farming in games back when I was like 12. Ah, the good old days. So, we're going to create a new script, write some code. Right now it's set for 5 seconds because 1,000 ticks is 1 second. And let's test it out. Yep, it works. And it even works with the window minimized or out of focus. So set this to however long you want. I usually do 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is a good autosave increment. And you can even get creative. Save each pass with a timestamp and a name to separate the autosaves. I just keep it simple. I'm just gonna do an autosave. And I don't know why Unity doesn't do this, but I think it should be a feature, but there's so many things you can do with this auto hotkey thing, and I'm still looking into all of it. But yeah, that script should create autosaves for you. I hope this helps some of you, and I'll see you in the next one.